This Etsy shop has sold almost 18,000 stickers designs and generated thousands of dollars. This second shop has sold almost 28,000 plus designs to generate passive income. Over the past 3 years, this shop has sold nearly 62,000 sticker designs and generated lots of money. In this video, I will guide you on creating these stickers using an AI tool called Leonardo AI. In the end, I will share a few websites to sell your designs and earn some dollars. So without further delay, let's get started. Log into your Leonardo AI account and move to this AI generation tool page. Write down this prompt. A sticker. Happy and colorful dog wearing headphones. Kawaii style with white background. Go with this model and hit the Generate button. We have got these stickers with this prompt. Not bad. Let's paste this prompt. This time we will change the style to vintage. Hit the Generate button without changing the fine-tuned model. Here you can see the stickers generated with this prompt. Let's change the text. This time I am trying to create a forest in the mountain. Here you can see the final stickers generated. Let's change the fine-tuned model to Leonardo Creative and hit the Generate button. Here we have some beautiful stickers. Let's explore more prompts. I have added this Kawaii style sticker with round features and strips on the head this time. Hit the Generate button and let's see what we get. Here we have the stickers generated with this prompt. Let's change the fine-tuned model to a sticker design with the same text. Here we have the unique and perfect stickers that we are looking for. Let's change the prompt, this time with more detailed text and features. Here you can see some fantastic stickers generated with this prompt. Let's change this last prompt to cyberpunk and neon type styles. Choose the fine-tuned model to stickers the Style Tune version 1 and hit the Generate button. Here we have the final stickers. These are just amazing. Let's download this sticker. Now we will improve the quality of the stickers by using this website. Drag and upload your image here. Keep the scale to 8. You can change it as well. Hit the Submit button and wait for the final result. Here we have the final output. Let's remove the background of this image. I am using a website called Photopea. Drag your image here. Select this magic wand tool. Make sure that contiguous is selected. Now change the tolerance a little bit. Click here and press the Delete button. Here we have the final image. Save this image as a PNG. Let's talk about some websites where you can sell your designs. The first website is called Redbubble. It has a separate category for stickers. Here you can see the results. Another website where you can sell your sticker design is Zazzle.com. You can explore this website. Creative Fabrica is another excellent website to sell your sticker design. Creative Market is also an excellent option for selling your designs. So you can explore all the websites mentioned to earn some dollars. That's all for this. To learn more, download a free beginner guide on ChatGPT. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos about AI tools.